Is it just me? Because it seems like a lot of these apps that I've been using to earn some extra cash, they have been taking forever to give me my money.
Yeah, I'm feeling the rage.
Listen, I don't have 3 or 4 days. If I do some work, I want my money right here, right now. If you can relate, then you're in the right place, because in today's video, I'm going to give you 3 apps that give you real cash instantly. And these apps include options to play games, watch videos, do surveys, all from your phone, and earn real cash right away. I'm about to put you onto game and help you out big time. So do me a favor and help me out big time by simply hitting the thumbs up button, because you know YouTube is still hating on your girl's videos. So let's hit that algorithm in the face and smash that thumbs up button. Now, if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe and join the family, okay? Let me know in the comments that you did so. But now that we got that out of the way, let's get into these 3 apps that give you real cash instantly. Let's go. The first app is called Popay. I've been using this one for a while, but it seems to fly under the radar. Not many people talk about it, but it is the real deal. So with Popay, you get to do surveys, and then they reward you with points that you can turn into gift cards. Now, I know a lot of people are new to this channel, and I've been getting a lot of questions about
how do you get your money?
The majority of the time, such as with Popay, if they're paying you cash, they might be paying you either through PayPal or direct deposit. With Popay, in order to get your cash, you have to have a PayPal account. If you don't have a PayPal account, I'll drop a link down below where you can sign up for PayPal. It's super easy to do. And then when you cash out those points, then Popay will actually give you your money instantly through PayPal. There's no wait. It'll show right up in your PayPal account. And I understand not everybody is into getting cash. I know there are a lot of people on this channel that would rather have gift cards.
So it doesn't make sense.
And Popay is definitely one of those apps that give gift cards as well. As a matter of fact, they have several gift cards, as you can see here. They have everything from Amazon gift cards to Nintendo gift cards. So there are options for everybody that likes gift cards. And if you're one of those people that want to be an investor and potentially grow your money, then Popay gives you the option to cash out with Bitcoin as well. I'm going to link them down below. Check it out. And when you do use my links, you are helping a girl out, a single mom out, somebody that's helping you. You're helping me. I appreciate you for that, because I can get bonus points and you can get bonus points as well with all of these options that I'm giving you here in this video today. So do me a favor, use my link down below. Let's move on to the next option. This is a new one on the list. It's called Dumo. So Dumo gives you a bunch of different ways that you can earn real money. I'm not talking about points that have to be converted into money. No, you know straight up front how much money you're earning. So with Dumo, you have a bunch of different options to earn that money, including doing surveys. You can play games, watch and comment on live streams, download apps, and they have a bunch of other offers that you can do. Another thing I like about Dumo is that they sometimes have higher paying surveys as well. I'm talking about up to $12 for a single survey. If you're somebody that does surveys, you know some of these apps that are out here, they want you to do a whole bunch of work, do 20-minute surveys for like 5 cents. Not Dumo. Plus, Dumo doesn't just give cash, but they also have options to cash out with gift cards. Again, for you gift card lovers out there, you do have options with Dumo. Now with Dumo, when you do cash out, expect them to do a verification process that can last from a few seconds to up to 24 hours. So the cash out time may vary, but you can get paid instantly on Dumo. So if you're interested in the Dumo app, make sure you use my link down below. Now, real quick, if you are somebody that's into getting gift cards or earning some extra cash, then you definitely want to check out my survival guides. I have a free gift card survival guide, and I also have the Strapped for Cash survival guide. So both of these can help you big time. If you're somebody that loves getting gift cards, get that gift card survival guide. And if you're somebody that wants more ways to earn money to help you out when you need money, then make sure you get that Strapped for Cash survival guide. Both of them are really affordable. They're instant downloads, and they are linked below. Now let's get to this third app, Eureka. I've been using Eureka for like over a year at this point, and I have cashed out several times instantly. Eureka doesn't just have an app, they also have a website as well, and you can go on there, you can do surveys, and then you can cash out for either cash that will be sent to you through PayPal, or you can choose from a whole bunch of gift cards. As you can see here, they have a whole bunch of them, everything from Applebee's to Amazon to Target, all of it. Now, if you're somebody that doesn't want to cash out with PayPal, but you still want some cash, Eureka gives you another option, and that is bank transfer. So if you have a bank account, and I'm gonna let you know right now, even if you don't have a bank account, there is something called an Oxygen card that I swear by, because this is a prepaid debit card. It's free. The thing about getting an Oxygen card is you can actually get your cash direct deposited from Eureka or any other source and use that Oxygen debit card, and Oxygen actually gives you rewards. Now, this video is not sponsored by Oxygen by no means. I wish they would, but I'm really just putting y'all onto game, because another perk that Oxygen has is that they give you virtual cards that you can use, and you can change the numbers. Like, nobody seems to do this without charging you, but Oxygen is free. So for example, if you're shopping on a website for the first time, right, and you're not quite sure about this website, you don't want to put your actual card number in there, then you can use your Oxygen card, and it will generate a card number instantly that you can use, and you can say, this company can only charge $25 to this card, or whatever amount that you set. And then Oxygen will decline anything else they try to charge above that amount. I have an Oxygen card myself that I actually use all the time, and they give me rewards as well for even just buying my regular coffee. So if you are interested, then use my link down below. It's a refer a friend link. That's just one little snippet of information that you can get in my Strapped for Cash survival guide, by the way. But back to the subject at hand, Eureka does allow you to get your money with a bank transfer. So they will send it to your bank account, and you know, bank transfers normally take like 2 to 3 days, but it is what it is. If you don't want to use PayPal, then this is another option for you. Eureka has come through for me in a clutch several times, so check them out yourself. The link is down below. For those of you that are members of my Patreon, make sure you head over to Patreon right now, because I have another video that I just put up with even more gems, okay? Now, if you're not a member of my Patreon, then I don't know what you are waiting for. Go over to my Patreon and find even more ways to earn some extra money, earn some gift cards, you know, help you out in your everyday life. The membership is well worth it, okay? But with that said, I hope you did enjoy this video. And if you did, please don't hesitate to let me and the algorithm know by hitting the thumbs up button. And also, please don't forget to subscribe. Turn on your notifications so you can be notified when I drop a new video. Now, with that said, if you're somebody that likes these options, then I suggest you check out this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.
I might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and